Here it is. Oh my god, look at this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, minutes. What? Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a great day. If you already are, this is my effort to make it just that little bit better. Today, I'm getting a new laptop. I primarily use my laptop for editing, rendering and uploading these videos. And let's just say my current laptop is 5 years too old and just a pain in the butt. But more on that later. Now I'm gonna quickly go and back up some data.
Later that same evening.
It is finally now time to take the laptop and go to the store. Before I go, Dadi ma laptop ko bye bol do. Kiss the laptop, kiss to.
Nahi.
Okay, I'll do it. Bye baby, you served me well. What I currently have, and this is what I'm getting. Just look at the difference. Like, look how small this is. And look how massive this chunky bugger is. If this one was this one's son, he'll be killed by your mama so fat jokes. Guys, I've bought all the stuff I want, kept in my bag. Now let's go to my house and unbox some stuff. It is officially the next day. I had gone to the store at 8:30 in the night and I left it at 10:30. And if I had unboxed the laptop at that time, I wouldn't have slept. But to my grave unfortunateness, I anyway did sleep. Here it is. Oh my god, look at this. Around 3 o'clock last night, I came into this room, held this little tag this close to opening it up, and then calmed myself. I decided this is an experience that the two of us should share together. And along with this, I got this and this. Now, you might be wondering, isn't it unnecessary? The answer is no, and I will tell you why just in a little bit. But before that, it's unboxing time. ASMR style. Beautiful. Now let's open this beauty up. You guys ready? Ooh, god damn! It is so light. Oh my god. Let me just keep it aside to show you what else comes in the box. Charging cable, Type-C to Type-C. A paper pamphlet. Honestly, nobody ever reads because everyone just Googles everything. 30-watt charger. And that's pretty much it. Let's set up the PC. Ooh. See? That looks beautiful. And there it is. The screen looks absolutely gorgeous. The keypad is very, very comfortable to type in. It has a premium feeling. And the trackpad, I mean, everyone talks about how amazing the Mac trackpad is. I'm starting to see why. Let me just take a quick speaker check.
Good grammar and spelling are important.
My god, the speakers are insane. It's echoing throughout the entire room. I don't think I've ever seen a laptop with this good a speaker. The laptop body itself, it has two Type-Cs on the left and a earphone jack on the right. The speakers are small, but they really pack a punch. Let's keep the laptop aside for a minute and show you the accessories that I got along with it. Type-C hub from Power Up. The reason for this hub is that all this PC has is two USB Type-C on the left, and there's no way for me to connect my SD card, my mouse, my hard disk, and I connect my laptop to my TV through HDMI and edit there. So I really needed that, and for that this is the perfect choice. If you want this, I'm going to be putting the link in the description below. And the one thing I love about this laptop, it has instant on like a goddamn smartphone, which is really cool. So wait, 3, 2, 1. Oh, and that's on. Oh, that is so good. And the next thing that I've gotten myself is a sleeve, because this laptop is very small, it looks very beautiful, and I would hate to get any scratches on this thing. Just keep the laptop very snug in my bag, because I tend to move around a lot with my laptop in my bag, and I wouldn't want anything to happen to it. This comes with 2 zips and a hook. The inside is velvety and absolutely comfortable. Like, oh my god, can I sleep in here? Like, God, see how it fits inside. Oh yeah, that's snug. That's not gonna move in there. And it has a zip in front as well. I could just keep dongle in there. I could keep a mouse. I could keep a hard disk. It's quite spacious. It's a really good purchase. Like this in my bag, and I know that my laptop will be safe. It's weatherproof. It's well protected inside this. Keeps me at peace. Alright, it is now the next day.
Another one.
Yes, Khalid, another. I have to use the laptop a little before telling them. So, shh. I used it till around 4:30 last night. I realized that this small little compact laptop is so damn powerful. It is an absolute performance beast. And if I might say so myself, I'm already kind of an expert at multitasking on this laptop. That's because you already learned and tried to experiment on all those shortcuts and gestures on your old Windows laptop itself. Shut up! What's wrong with you? My old laptop weighed in about 2.16 kilograms, and this is at 1.2, which is almost a kilogram lesser, and the performance difference is absolutely massive. The performance on this is legit like hot knife on butter. And the gestures, the trackpad, oh my god, the trackpad, we like it. I genuinely don't understand why a company would switch from the keypad they have right now. I'm judging you, Apple. A while back, I uploaded a reaction video with my dad, and that video is about 26 minutes long. That took my old laptop 1 hour 46 minutes to render. I'm going to take that project and see how long this laptop takes to render it. And if you see, if I scroll through the timeline, it is crazy smooth. It is about 26 minutes long. And let's go to render it. Speed 146, please. And render out. A simple render is not really test enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play a bunch of 4K, 6K and 8K videos in the background to see how fast the laptop can render, even though all that is playing. 4K, 4K, 5K and a video that is 8K. Let's see how long it takes to render it. While that renders, let's talk about other stuff about this laptop. The battery life is absolutely insane. When I unboxed it was around 56%, and I used it from that time, which was about 8 o'clock in the evening or night, depending on how old you are, till about 4:30, and then I used it for a couple of hours in the morning as well, and I still have a good like 14% left, which is crazy. The best thing about this laptop is that the performance does not change whether it's plugged in or not. Let me explain it to you really easy, right? If you compare this laptop to other Windows laptops, the difference is Windows laptop is like Bruce Banner on Earth. When it's plugged in, but when it's not. But on the other hand, this laptop is like Bruce Banner at Sakar.
Hulk, always Hulk.
I can't stress enough on how useful this dongle is. Like, this is very, very important because not all of the products have actually evolved to that generation of USB Type-C yet, and this is crazy useful. It has connections for Ethernet to charge it, 2 USB Type-3s, HDMI output for 4K, an SD card and a micro SD, so it's a no-brainer. Everything you need, this is gonna have. Again, link in description. And you know, it doesn't really close. Other laptops, they do, right? This one does. Very cool. It's done rendering. And guess how long it took? 12 minutes. What? This is crazy. It's unbelievable how fast this laptop is. Good God. 2 hours to 12 minutes. For that alone, this laptop is worth it for me. Like, if any of you out there who think you should buy this laptop, just go ahead. It's a no-brainer. The only issue that people were talking about is a RAM swap, which, if I need to simplify, if you're pushing the laptop to its complete limit, at that point in time, to make the laptop work even faster and efficient, the laptop writes data through the SSD, and since the SSD has an infinite life, it kind of wears and tears faster than what it should. This is for people who do like some serious ass stuff on their laptop. Most of the people shouldn't really care about that, and if someone does really do something like that, I think they'd prefer the Pro version. I've already downloaded a bunch of apps that have helped me really optimize my usage, and if you'd like, I could make a video on that in the future. Just let me know in the comments down below. So now I'm gonna have a quick celebration with my grandmom. So let's go. So I bought this Blueberry Crush a while back and I still haven't opened it up, and I thought today would be the perfect opportunity to open it up and celebrate getting a new laptop. Cheers, Daddy.
Yes.
Acha? It's very sweet. I love it. Me being me, this is not enough for me. So I'm gonna add a scoop of whey protein from Fruiteen, which is lychee flavored, and I think it's absolutely delicious. Is it gonna become too sweet? Probably, but that's my style. Alright, I've added the protein and I'm gonna mix it up. This might taste amazing, it might taste awful. I have no idea. It looks more like grape juice now. Last time it looked like watermelon juice. Try करो. थोड़ा सा. कैसा है? मस्त है ना? ये मैं grabbing a cruise of it. This is delightful. I'm gonna end the video here today, guys. Thank you for watching the entire video. And if this video made you smile, just drop me one of these and see you in the next one. Bye, Munda Babu. And always remember, life is
good.
What? बेड़ा तो कैसे पीता है?
This laptop is like Bruce Banner. That's Batman. What's wrong with you?
That's how, Fox.